Chipra Tent House. Ban penriam ye ki ying jing khawai. Ban penbang ye ka sound jong ka shat karwai. Pat shibun ki tiar ngi ai wai.
One, two, three, four. Sheila, 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 Manoban Yora Sheila, 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 Manoban Yora Sheila, 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 Katoromen, Balapelong, Byrnihat Sports Association, Jingialehkai Persian Basul, MLA Sostene Sotun. La 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 oh la 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 oh la 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 jump jump jump.
Ka Jingialehkai football ka belak penlong da ka Byrnihat Sports Association menta kasi kalong ka basyong shit bha bat ka Jingialehkai ru kalong ka ba itanat hadu kata-kata da ka jingtebit jong ki player jong ki art ligi tim ki belak boy ha ka final ki ba kentup ya ka Lamare FC bat ka Thma FC. Haka ka Jingialehkai ka Thma FC kalara ia kanam ladu bat rakru ia ke song pisa ke ba silak tengka rengkat bat ke trofi. Hadin bagi referee kilap penbenai ia ke jingjom sya ke Thma FC kalami ke kenrum kenram kat adu bagi bor pulit kilahap bantem ia kene ke kenrum kenram.
Langat.
Kini kelong ke jing pendapat ba nak keputai kini kipat ba ke berak Madan yang subha banyari ke burung ke akor. Kepada di kipat ba ke subha balik ki jaga ke bapi pidon yang penlong kini ke program ke bakut atau rukom ke bayi tengah. Dikepada dia baru kipat ba. Please keep it down. Minyo awan penkut yakni ka event mentakasi harutom ka bayitanat. Kepada baru kipat ba pun subha benyeng itu dijaga yang berpimpinan. Kipat sini dong kusang ke Thma. Bagi subha belong ki bajai-jai. Nambang ila awan penkut yakni ka event mentakasi harutom ka bayitanat bat ka bayisongkun.
Chief Minister ka Sarkar Jela Konrad Kongsan ulawan poi hagani kasngi kumu Kongsan bat MLA jong jerang constituency kumu sembut Kongsan Haka Jindon Langru jong ba Victor Rani ubdeu MDC jong Jirang constituency nangta ikong RM Kurba ibdei Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi District nangta de kiwe de Riupo Command Kathan Kilawan ban Sakhi Hakane Kasngi Hadin ka jingla jong Jingialehkai ka Terngah FC Byrnihat bha badra ikanam ladu kaladon ka jingye syat ngau bha bad ka jing pensngau tenat dau ban ker khar kongor na ka banta ka jingjob jong ka Terngah Football Club
1, 2, 3, 4 Sheila, Sheila, Sheila Manoban Yora Sheila, Sheila, Sheila Sheila, Sheila, Sheila Manoban Yora Sheila, Sheila, Sheila Katoromen balap penong Tangka Byrnihat Sports Association Ata jingkret jingkersyan basun MLA Sostenes Sokun Sheila, Madan Yora Sheila, Sheila, Sheila Sheila, Sheila, Sheila Madan Yora Sheila, Sheila, Sheila Kator momen balap penlong Daka Byrnihat Sports Association Haka jingfes jingkincan baskun MLA Sostenes Sokun Kenon lang, lala Lala, la la la, la la la, oh la la, la la la, la la la, la la, la la la, la la la, oh la la, la la la, la la la. Woo! Jump, 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 Balong nong jo, ini minta, kadai kaspor na Terngah.
Hari ini kepuan Yusof Balai ke Jingialehkai Bok Keriang yang ka Terngah Sports Club di belalong tilak dua hari ini ka tournament mentakasi yang ke Jingialehkai Bok Keriang ini bertenanglah Byrnihat Thma bat Kongsan
All I would like to say is that as a government, the youth is our priority. As a government, we have come out with our youth as well as our sports policy. For this first time in the history of this state, we finally have a direction on where we would like to take our youth. We have a plan on how we would like to achieve it. And therefore, there is a lot of work to be done. But I am very happy to tell you that we have started the work and a lot of programs are going to be held when it comes to the youth. In respect to sports, you are aware that many infrastructure projects have been taken up in different parts of the state. The highest amount of infrastructure fund for sports arenas has been sanctioned by this government. And I am also happy to inform you that like we have sanctioned the projects in different parts of the state, we have also done that for this particular field where we are having this football final. It is with the help and support of your MLA that I would like to announce that we will be constructing the gallery and the stadium out here in this very field. And I can assure you that the Honorable Sports Minister, the Honorable MLA and myself will come back before this year's Christmas to give you a Christmas present by laying the foundation stone for this particular stadium. So friends, I would like to also congratulate both the teams that have made it to the final.